This is my newest experiment. This is a Hero steam engine. The first example of an action-reaction steam engine, invented by a Greek whose name I don't remember. What you see there is the bottom is a fire extinguisher. With some jets made from copper pipe, and as you see, when the water is heated, it turns to steam. The reaction from the jets turns the steam engine. I don't know if there's any practical application for this. The problem with it is replenishing water. Because there's no way to get water into the cylinder again once it's done.